In this video, we talk about searching, and more specifically, it is about binary search applied to sorted arrays. Given an array sorted in the ascending order, the search value is k. If k is less than m, which is the value of the middle element, then k is in the first half of the array. If k is greater than m, then k is in the second half of the array. And otherwise, if k is equal to m, then k is found in the array. Let's look at the illustration. Given an array sorted in the ascending order, the value of the mid element is m equal to 8, and the searched value is k equal to 19. Here 19 is greater than m, so k is in the second half of the array. So later on in the next iteration, we search for k within the second half of the array. The mid value now is 21. K now is less than m, so k is in the first half, which has only two elements. In the next iteration, the mid value now is 11. K is greater than 11. So k is in the second half of this array. In the next iteration, the start, the end elements, and also the mid elements are actually the same one, 19. And here we can see k is equal to 19, so k is found. Let's look at this Python implementation of the binary search. Left is initialized with 0, and right is initialized with length of a minus 1, and result is initialized with -1, which means not found. So right basically is the index of the last element, and left basically is the index of the first element. While left less than or equal to right, meaning while the left element hasn't crossed the right element, the mid element can be calculated from the left and the right index. If k is less than the value of the mid element, then k is in the first half of the array, and we need to adjust the index of the right element to the element before the mid element, which is mid minus 1. If k is actually equal to the value of the mid element, then return the index of the mid element into result. And if k is actually greater than the mid element, then k is actually in the second half of the array, and we need to adjust the left index to the index of the element just after the mid element. If the loop finishes and we don't get to this branch, then result will still be -1, which is not found.